Ice or fire, space or sea, the toughest bear you'll ever see. Explore with Bobos.
Look, Laylee's eating his favorite hamburger. Have you ever wondered where the food goes? Are they throwing a party in the tummy? Nope. Today we're exploring the human body factory. Backpack, activate atomic shrink mode. Wow, we are leaving with this lettuce leaf. Hold on tight, the adventure begins. Phew! Safe landing. This pink carpet bit is the tongue. Welcome, everyone, to the oral playground. Look up, what are those white pillars? And what is this thing that looks like a slide?
Watch out! The mouse crusher is working!
Look, everyone, these giant white rocks are the teeth. The flat front teeth are like scissors, cutting the big hamburger, the wide back teeth. Look, from the secret passage beneath the tongue, look, Mr. Saliva is here to help. They coat the dry food with a layer of lubricant. Knead them into a soft, pliable dough. They lubricate the food to make swallowing easier. So kids, you must chew your food slowly. If you swallow without chewing, big chunks of food might get stuck in the tube, and Mr. Stomach will have to work crazy overtime. Yikes! Why is the carpet rolling up? The tongue has turned into a giant ocean wave, pushing us into the black hole. Hold on to your little hats. We've entered the super slide inside the body, the esophagus. Do you see how the walls of the slide are rhythmically squeezing and relaxing? Woohoo! This is so fast! This move is called muscle peristalsis. Just like squeezing toothpaste. Squeak, squeak. It pushes the food down bit by bit. That's why, even if you drink water upside down like a little bat, the water will never go into your nose, but will obediently go into your tummy. Phew, reached the bottom. Look ahead. A glowing green door that says Cardia. This is Mr. Stomach's one-way ticket gate. In, but not out. Deep breath, pinch your nose. 1, 2, 3, jump, wasplash. It's so sour. Yikes! What is this water? So sour. My backpack is alarming. Backpack, activate the super shield boat. Quick. Feel safe at last, fellow adventurers. Welcome to the sour stomach bathhouse. This green liquid is gastric juice. It's very powerful. It turns big chunks of food into a porridge-like paste. Wait, why are the walls moving? Everyone hold on to the boat. Wow, Mr. Stomach has turned into a giant automatic washing machine. It's crazily needing the food. This surfing is too thrilling. Look, after the crazy kneading, the hamburger meat is completely gone. Whoosho, the nutrient porridge is sent to the next stop. Now the stomach is completely empty, not even a drop of water left. But why hasn't this washing machine stopped? It's rubbing the air hard. Yikes! Earthquake! Earthquake! Do you hear that sound? Grumble, grumble. It's the grumble monster calling. When the stomach is empty but still working hard, it makes this sound. That's your tummy reminding you, "Hey, little master, I'm hungry." Time to deliver goods. Sit tight. We're heading to the small intestine maze. Let's go. Wow, this glittering golden tunnel is so beautiful. Welcome to the longest tunnel, the small intestine maze. Look at the wall. These little sea anemone hands are called vip. They are busy fishing for treasure, grabbing golden nutrient stars from the paste. The super energy from the hamburger is all absorbed right here. These nutrients go all over your body to make you grow tall and smart. So, eat your veggies and meat. Absolutely no picky eating. The useless leftovers arrive at the waste export station. Boom! They fall into a thicker pipe. It's so dark in here. Oh my goodness! The smell is overpowering. Quick, put on the gas mask. Welcome to the body's last bit of export water. Station, the large intestine. This is the large intestine. It doesn't smell very good. The rest will become ... Ee-hee. Slurp, slurp dried out. The scraps are squeezed into this familiar shape. You guessed it, it's stinky poop. This process also makes gas, which is farting. Attention! The poop army is lined up and ready to be flushed.
The poop army is ready to head out.
I don't want to be flushed down the drain. Jetpack, go. Let's retreat. Phew, finally back. That adventure was stinky but super amazing, right? Adventure over. Now, let's do a little experiment. First, get a Ziploc bag, tear bread into pieces, and throw them in, just like biting with teeth.
Add some water
Then
to
add a
simulate
little bit of
saliva
water.
and teeth.
Can you guess? This simulates our saliva. Next, pour in some sour white vinegar. This represents the super strong stomach acid. Make sure to seal the bag tight. Ready. Now it's time for magic. Squeeze it hard with your little hands. Knead it crazily, just like Mr. Stomach. Stop! Look, the bread has completely turned into nutrient paste.
Look! The bread turned completely into paste.
This is the hard work your stomach does every day. Isn't it amazing? Our body factory is so awesome. We must protect it. Rule 1. Wash hands before meals. Rule 2. Don't gobble your food. You must chew it slowly and carefully. Rule 3. Drink water, eat veggies. And don't be picky, so Mr. Poop can go out smoothly.
Next time, where did that giant guy go? Don't forget to tune in and find out! Heave-o!
Hit that subscribe button for more giant microscopic fun.